27 hearts beat.
Hey, what's good, guys? This is an unboxing of the Andis Profoil Lithium shavers. These heard were a good product to purchase, so I decided to pick them up on Amazon. So here, just showing the box and unboxing it here. So inside you get a manual, like with everything, and that'll just help you learn about your product. Also comes with the charging cable in there. Then you got a little brush just to brush off the hairs off your machine. Then here is the product itself. Nice look. I think that's why I like it, just a nice look. It comes with a little cap here, protective cap for the foils. Beautiful product. There it is there, guys. Amazing product. If you want to see a review on this product, let me know. But this is the unboxing of the Profoil Andis shaver, and yeah, beautiful product.